Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have brought for you this Type-C 8-in-1 adapter. So now let's unbox and check its connectivity. So this is a Type-C 8-in-1 adapter from Sonis. So this is a Type-C cable, and here two Type-C ports, and this is HDMI, two USB ports, and this is two SD cards. Build quality, finishing and color is good, and it's compact in size and you can easily carry. So first I am trying to connect my phone. In your phone, turn on the OTG connection and USB debugging. If it's not work, so I have uploaded the video. So let's connect it. So first I am going to connect my pen drive to Type-C port. So now I am connecting USB SSD. So let's connect. So here you can see my USB SSD's connection. So let's connect wireless mouse. So this is a wireless mouse. So let's connect.
Now, it's connected my mouse.
Yeah, it's connected my mouse. You can see.
So it's working perfectly. So you can also use this to your computer or laptop, desktop or laptop also. So you can use this adapter for your laptop as well as your laptop and desktop.
So yeah, it's working fine. You can connect this adapter to your phone or laptop and PC or other things. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.